Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Zoom tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Zoom client that's installed to your computer. So doing this can give you new features. It also can give you upgraded security when they release new versions. All right, so if a major update to Zoom has come out, they will show it under the little toolbar up here. So as you can see, the Zoom client is saying that a new version is available. If I click update, it'll go ahead and start the update process for Zoom. Now, if you're not seeing that or you X out of this and it's no longer showing, we can manually have Zoom check for an update by going up to the top right, selecting our profile image, and then going down and going to check for updates right here. So we'll select that. It'll check very quickly. And then if there is an update available, it'll let us know that it's available. It also shows us what was changed in that update. And then we can select update right here to actually update Zoom. Now, if for some reason your installation of Zoom is not finding the latest update, you can manually download it directly from Zoom by just going to zoom.us/downloads in your browser and check the description because I'll have this link down there as well as a detailed write-up in case you get lost. So we'll go there. And as you can see, we can download the latest version of the Zoom client, go ahead through the installation process, and then we should have the latest upgraded version of Zoom on our computer. All right, so that's how you perform an update of Zoom on your computer. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Zoom tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.